Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You have paper and a pencil. Begin immediately by tracing a light zigzag spine down the page. Why start here? The spine defines direction and energy, so place 3 5-angled segments to set rhythm. Once done, connect segment ends with quick diagonal strokes, keeping alternating long and short segments so the bolt reads dynamic. Make sure to keep marks light, you will refine them later. This first pass is about proportion and movement, not detail, so work fast and trust visual balance. Now refine the bolt. Thicken the primary segments by drawing parallel outer edges that taper toward tips. This creates a believable mass. Why add branches? Forks break uniformity and suggest natural flow, so place 1 or 2 offshoots at staggered positions, angling them differently for interest. Once done, clean the center line with a careful erase to make outer edges crisp. Make sure to balance negative space so the bolt reads clearly against the paper. This step turns a sketch into a defined form. Finish by darkening the outer contours and keeping the inner core lighter to imply a glow. This contrast creates depth and energy. Once done, add short hatch marks radiating outward to suggest flicker and motion, and blend gently with a stump for a soft aura if desired. Make sure to erase remaining construction lines cleanly and sharpen tips with a fine point. If the bolt feels flat, increase angle variance or add a small fork. This single tweak usually restores liveliness.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.